Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't guessed it yet, in today's video I'm doing an unboxing of my new mic. Before we get started, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on new posts. Thanks. Now that I started streaming, I was looking into mics, and that's when I found the Yeti and C922 from Blue Microphone and Logitech. Price wise, this bundle will cost you about $229.99 plus tax. If you were to buy this separately, this model Yeti would cost you $129.99 and the C922 will cost you $119.99 plus tax. So that's a total of $249.98 plus tax. If you were to buy this bundle, you would save $20. It's not a whole lot of savings, but that's $20 that you could use towards something else. I'm not affiliated by Blue Microphone or by Best Buy, but if you're looking to pick one up, Best Buy is where this bundle is sold. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Alright, let's get down to the unboxing. The Yeti has two components, the mic itself and the bass stand. They don't really specify what kind of material they used, but it feels like some type of metal. For a mic, this is pretty hefty, weighing at 3.5 pounds. With a heavy bass, this mic is pretty sturdy. Also, has some type of foam padding in the bottom to prevent the mic from sliding. You just place it down, it doesn't really slide that much. So some features of this mic is that this is a USB microphone, so it's pretty much ready to use right outside of the box. which is one of the reasons why I got this. So right here is where you plug in your mini USB that they provided to you, which is this cable. You connect this end over here, and then the USB to either your laptop or to your desktop. And also it has a zero latency headphone output where you can plug in your headphones using an aux cord so that you hear yourself when you're recording your voice. So right here is where you plug in your aux cord to your headphones. Also, you see right here, there's these threads. I don't know if you can see it, but so pretty much this is where you could hook up your mic to a boomstick or boom arm. That way you don't have to have it on the stand. And that is sold separately. So you could check that out if you want one of those. So currently the mic is upside down. In order to turn it right side up, there's these two knobs here that you have to loosen up. And once you have that loosened up, you're able to move the mic upwards. And once you have that, you just have to tighten these knobs back to secure the mic from moving. So there you have it. So some features in the front of the mic is that you have a mute button. So just in case if someone comes into your room and says something embarrassing, you have that option to press that mute button. And then once it's on, you'll know by an LED that flashes. And then if you want to mute yourself, you just need to simply press the button again, and then the light will turn off. Then you also have a headphone volume control, so you can adjust the output of your headphones by just turning the knob. So some features in the back of the mic is that you have a gain control knob, which is this one. And if you don't know what gain is, typically used to get good input level. For example, if you had a microphone with a very low output signal, you would boost the gain to get a better level into your audio interface. Also, it has a pattern mode control knob, which is this one. There are 4 pattern modes, which are cardioid, stereo, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. Stereo mode uses both left and right channels to capture a wide, realistic sound image, ideal for recording acoustic guitar and immersive experiences like ASMR videos. Next we have is omnidirectional mode, which picks up sound equally from all around the mic for recording a band's live performance, a multi-person podcast, or a conference call. Next we have is cardioid mode. Basically records directly in front of the microphone, delivering a rich sound for podcasts, Twitch streaming, music recording, voiceovers, and instruments. Last we have is bidirectional. It records from both front and rear of the microphone for recording a duet or a two-person interview. So that's pretty much all the features of this Blue Yeti microphone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. Due to the time of this video, I'll be making a separate video for the Logitech C922, so keep a lookout for that. If you made it this far, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks again, and see you guys on the next video.